Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you guys can edit a Canva template and how you can add images to it. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what you need to do is go into design once you open up an empty project, or you can even just search for a template in the home page. But if you open up an empty template, you just go, or an empty project, you just go into design, go into templates, and pick whichever template you want. Let's say, for example, this one. Then pick whichever slides you want to insert, and as you can see, it is pretty empty, pretty basic. So let's just change it to this one because this one has an image. Now, as you can see, this is what this slide looks like, and let's say you want to place a new image, possibly even remove that one and add your own one. You just go into your uploads if you have uploaded any pictures. If not, you can just click on upload pictures or upload images or upload files, and then you can select your files from your computer, or alternatively you can just drag and drop from your PC to Canva, and it should apply itself very easily. Now I'll just add this picture of a dog just for an example's sake, and as you can see, it is currently invisible. The reason for this is because it is in the background, since everything else is in the foreground. To fix this, you just need to right click on where it is, go to layer, and then just put it in the front row. As you can see, for some reason it's glitching out because I can see it here on this slide, but I can't see it on the actual slide. So let me just try that again. And for some reason it's not wanting to load. Let's try with this one. Okay, for some reason it doesn't want to load. I'll just try a different design just for this certain specific part. Let's say, for example, this one. Remove that, go to uploads, drag and drop, and for some reason these pictures, actually this one is working. And as you can see, you just place your pictures, and that is pretty much how you can enter your templates. You can alternatively also put in frames, which can modify the shape of your images like so. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.